So here we've got a Tassimo My Way 2 pod coffee machine. I already have a small Tassimo Vivi, but with a couple of kids and myself and the wife all liking hot chocolate now again. If you're making like 3 or 4 hot chocolates at a time, you have to fill that one up twice just to make 4 cups. So this is a bigger variant. It also lets you do extra things like increase the cup size and how strong you want the drink. It's also got the bonus of a water filter in it as well. The one I've got currently, which is a Vivi, is I think it's 0.7 litres, and this is a 1.2 or 1.4, so obviously it's almost almost double the size. So hopefully we won't be able to fill it up in between making drinks. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys in terms of what you get, because they were doing these on offer. They're like half price at the moment. So I've gone for the white one, which is the same as I've got before. If you've had a Tassimo machine before, they're pretty self-explanatory. This machine's a fair bit bigger than the other one, whereas my other machine's quite deep but slim. This one's wide but shallow. So in essence, if I was to put my other machine next to it that way, it would be about the same, but this is width. So it should fit better on the shelf, to be honest, but we'll see. So it's quite a nice looking machine compared to my current one. As you can see, it's got a Brita water filter in. You can program your favourite settings. As I mentioned earlier, you can have your volume of your cup, how full it is in terms of you've got like a big cup or a little cup, how strong it is for if you're making coffees, and obviously just your temperature as well. And around the back, we've got your Brita filter, which is a sort of thing you get in any item with a water filter these days. Your little set of instructions. Telling you to take this out, plug it in, pull the water thing off. So to get the filter out, what we need to do is pop your finger in there, squeeze it, and it will lift all off like that. And then we can lift the main water filter part out, and then put the water filter in, like so. And we pop that back in, and plunk the lid back on. Now to fill some water in. Takes a while for it to go through the filter, so we'll just make do with what's in for the moment. As you can see, it is trickling through. So just slide that on the back of the machine. Like so. Then we get the little starter tab out, which just lives in the side of the machine. And pop this in. Just put that in there. So we need to calibrate this now. So we want a minimum of 250 millilitres, which we have marked on there. Just pop that under there. So that's now done. We can pop that back in the side of the machine. It's now ready for use. So here's just a quick example of the Tassimo in action, give you an idea of the amount of noise. This is one of the special edition Bailey's hot chocolates. They're actually really nice if you like hot chocolate. They're not alcoholic, but they taste like they are. Now, when you put your, I'll just show you again because I was talking. So when you actually put your capsule in on this particular model, if it's a coffee one, it will give you the option to change how strong it is. You can see it won't let me do it here. It lights up but then goes off. You can change your cup size. So I'm going to put in a medium sized cup, which would be fine. And then these are for how many cups you want to make. So we're just going to have the 1 cup. You press the start button and off it goes. So you can see it's not bad for the size of the cup. It pretty much does a reasonable job, as with all the Tassimos. You just press and hold the button. It will bring some more water through if you want to top it up a little bit higher. Obviously if you want to leave a bit of a gap, you can then put like a drop of cold water or top it up with a drop of milk if you want. Just for the purposes of the video, I'll just top it up a little bit more. I've took my hand off now, as you can see it stops. So there you go, that's an example of how long it takes, the noise it makes, and what the finished article looks like. These machines, if you can pick them up when they're on offer for £50, I think they're a bargain compared to when they're more expensive, like £100, £120. So there you have it, that's a quick review of the Bosch Tassimo. Hope you enjoy it, thanks and be safe.